Hello guys, today I will tell you about data validation. Showing or stop showing data in any cell is called data validation. Now I will tell you how it works. I will click the data bar and then data validation, and I will click. This is the default criteria of data validation. Any value, he is allowing any value in any cell in any sheet. Okay, and then I will click whole number, and these are the conditions you can use. These are the conditions you are allowing the criteria to use in the cell and not allowing the data which are not included in your cell or in your condition. So I am equal to whole number 10, then okay, 10, that's okay. If 11, that's not okay. It is restricting my data that it is not the correct value. You have a condition and you can enter under 10. Okay, and then I will tell you the next one, the decimal one, and I enter decimal value 0.20, and if I will enter 0.20, that's okay. If I will enter 0.30, it is restricting me. And same are the case with list, and I am asking him to, and it is asking me to give me the source. I am giving him the source, and this is the source, and here you go, and it is showing me the drop down list icon. If I click, it is Adam. If I want to enter Adam, it will restrict me. Okay, now the next one is date, and you can enter here date, any date you want to, 1-2-2019. Okay, if I will enter 1 to 2019, that's okay. If I will enter, it will restrict me. Okay, and the next one is the same is the time and the text length. I will show you text length. It is different, 3, and I have entered 3. That means I can enter the text only to up to 3 words, ASA, that's okay. If I enter Adam, it will restrict me and not allowing me to do the mistake. Okay, this is, and then I will tell you the custom one. You can enter any formula and you can use in any cell in the sheet to restrict or allow the data. Okay, and then this is the input message. You want to write any input message for the mistake or for the restricted things on the sheet. I will title as warning message, warning, and input is do not do it, it's mistake. Okay, and okay, and it is showing me by default that do not do it, it's a mistake. Okay, anytime I am entering the data, it is showing me that do not do it, it's a mistake. Okay, the next one is the error alert, and I can use the style of warning. I can use the information icon as well. So the title is, I am using the warning, and the title is title. I can write anything like mistake, do the right criteria. Okay, I am just giving him I'm just giving you an example by the time. Okay, equal to time I am writing. I'm giving you the example because I have skipped the time before. So if it is equal to 2 AM, that's okay. And if I will write any other time, it will not allow me. And the warning message is the message I have written: do the right criteria, you want to continue or you don't want to continue. Cancel and help are also the icons as well. I'm not allowing the mistake to be done. Okay, if I allow, then it will go, it will allow me to do anything with the cells or with the sheet. So I have displayed you the different criteria. So I will tell you one more thing, that if you click the circle invalid data, it will show the invalid data in your sheet or the cells you have picked for data validation. So I will enter and it is showing that this data is invalid. So I have to remove it and correct it. So I am gonna correct it with the condition I have given. So I will try again, and it is only showing this one because I have taken the list below. It is showing that this is the invalid data, so I have to remove it. And one other thing, that if you want to remove all the data validation from a sheet, you can only click the clear all and then so in order to get rid of this message, I have to go to the data validation and clear this and alert, then clear this. Okay, and I am gonna click OK and it is gone. Okay, so data validation is off. Is that you can copy paste it at any cell on your sheet, or copy paste on your any other tab. I will show you. This is the list option, and I am taking this list. I'm clicking OK and then OK, and the data validation is on, and I want to copy this cell and to the other cells as well. So the data validation is on every cell on the sheet and restricting the data at every sheet. If you like my video and got any learning, do subscribe my channel and have a comment if you have any suggestion. Thank you so much. Love you all.